Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cybersecurity trends with Gartner, full guide step by step clearly. To begin managing cybersecurity trends with Gartner, familiarize yourself with Gartner's research methodologies. Visit the official Gartner website to access their extensive resources on cybersecurity. Create an account if needed, to gain access to reports and insights tailored for cybersecurity professionals. Explore the latest research notes and market guides focusing on cybersecurity trends. Identify key reports, such as the Magic Quadrant and Market Guide, for a comprehensive overview of leading vendors. Focus on Gartner hype cycles to assess emerging technologies in cybersecurity. Stay updated on cybersecurity best practices through Gartner's webinars and events. Join relevant communities or forums facilitated by Gartner to engage with peers and experts in the field. Analyze the data from Gartner's research to identify patterns and trends that may impact your organization. Use Gartner's recommendations to benchmark your current cybersecurity strategies against industry standards. Incorporate insights from metrics and analytics provided by Gartner into your cybersecurity frameworks. Develop a strategic plan that aligns with recent trends identified by Gartner. Implement continuous learning by regularly revisiting Gartner's research updates. Adjust your cybersecurity strategies based on the evolving landscape highlighted in Gartner's studies. Share your findings with your team to foster a culture of awareness and readiness. Utilize Gartner's insights to drive informed decision-making regarding cybersecurity investments. Monitor the effectiveness of your cybersecurity measures through analytics and reporting. Reassess your strategies periodically to ensure alignment with ongoing changes in cybersecurity trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.